Each day in cities across the country, people park where they shouldn't, in front of fire hydrants, loading zones, and bus stops. Most of us would never do this. It's not safe. You might be thinking that this really can't be that much of a problem. We can see where you are coming from, because none of us would park where we shouldn't. The shocker is in the cities where our technology is deployed, we average 7 people per day per spot parking where they shouldn't. These are not people who just pulled over to check a text message real quick. These are people who actually flat out parked at bus stops, loading zones, and fire hydrants. The problem is actually staggering. It does not have to be this way. Parking in front of these spots creates safety hazards and have a big trickle-down effect that many people do not consider. If a person parks in front of a fire hydrant, obviously this causes problems. Now the fire department personnel either have to go around the car or through it to get hooked up. This adds precious time to a situation that losing time equals loss of lives. When someone parks at the crosswalk, it now causes people to have to walk between cars, and people in wheelchairs cannot get over the curb. A person who parks at a bus stop now causes the bus to have to block traffic in 2 different directions. This causes people to have to walk between parked cars and onto the busy street to board the bus. All cities have parking enforcement officers to write tickets for this reckless behavior. The problem is no city can hire enough officers to deter and enforce the laws. Meet Sentry Safety Stick, a virtual officer that supports your parking enforcement officers in protecting no parking zones 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We help make your city safer. Sentry Safety Stick is available to qualified cities at no charge. Contact us to find out more.